you so much, Usha, for the beautiful compliment. And कुछ सोच के तो आई थी मैं. दिल से निकलती है जो बात असर रखती है.
Wow, I'm super speechless right now.
Hosting energy on है अपनी hosting energy.
Hosting energy.
Thank you very ये सारे.
Thank you so much, Nabhavi, Nana, Hum TV, and fans, obviously. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much to the fans. Thank you, Danish Raj, Samakam Chaudhary, the rest of the cast. I think the writing in the show was so great, and beyond that, I think it's great to have good chemistry with great actors, which is I think why we got this today. So thank you, Ramsha, and thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you guys, and congratulations again.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, moving on.
अब हम एक्नॉलेज करेंगे उन ब्लॉकबस्टर सीरियल्स को जिन्होंने हमें 2022 में किसी दूसरे चैनल पर स्विच होने का मौका ही नहीं दिया. So इनको a big round of applause for all these serials. But साहब जी बताइए आप.
राज़ थी अपनी खो गई.